Hello, right, Voyager Mark 5, 2008 to 2012 model. Quick, simple battery change. Left hand bonnet pull, being a Chrysler. A diagnostics shown up, low voltage system. In a lot of the cases it's because it's the wrong battery. This is the 75 amp hour, so a simple quickly replace it with the 100 amp hour should cure the problem. Tools required: we have the 10mm open ender, positive first, and for some reason I use the 10mm ring for the negative. Old one off, new one in, and retighten. Don't forget to put the clamp back in. Seems to be missing on this, so I shall rig one up in a second. And hey presto, battery refitted. There we go, foot on the brake, ignition on, and away she goes, purring like I think it's 2.8 CRD engines. Okay, simple refit. Thanks for watching.